In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set limits for different field questions in Google Forms. This is a really useful feature if you want to control the number of characters, numbers, or specific responses that your form respondents can provide. Whether you're gathering survey data, collecting feedback, or even creating quizzes, these guidelines will help ensure that your data is as accurate and meaningful as possible. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open Google Forms. If you're starting from scratch, create a new form by clicking the big plus button. If you've got an existing form to edit, just go ahead and open that one up. Once you're in your form, click on the question you'd like to set limits for. You'll notice a drop-down menu on the right-hand side of your question field, which contains different types of response options like short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, and so on. For this guide, we're specifically focusing on short answer and paragraph types since they benefit from having limits. Once you've selected your question type, click on the three vertical dots at the bottom right of the question box to open the Options menu. Here you'll see an option called Response Validation. Click on it, and you'll be presented with different criteria for setting your response limits. If you've chosen a short answer type, you can set conditions like numbers, text, length, or regular expressions. For example, if you're asking for an ID number, and it must be exactly 10 digits, set your validation as a number with specific length criteria. Enter the number 10 and make sure to add a custom error text. This will provide responders with a polite nudge if they enter the wrong data. Something like, "Please enter your 10-digit ID number for accurate submission," will do nicely. If you're working with paragraph field types, you can focus on the length condition. This is particularly helpful if you want concise responses. Just switch from number validation to text length and provide a maximum character limit. This ensures that the responses remain clear and to the point. Don't forget to configure the custom error message with something encouraging and informative, like keep your insights under 150 characters for brevity. With all that configured, make sure to save your form. You can preview the form by clicking on the eyeball icon at the top right of the screen to test all the validations you've put in place. Now you're ready to send out your polished form, knowing that your data collection will be as effective and streamlined as possible. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or reach out for guidance. Thanks for watching and happy form creating.